Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Green from Roblox Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the top section of the head. We'll start with the curve at the top. Then from the sides, let's bring it straight down. And then close off the bottom with the curve across. Next, let's add the eyes. On the top left, let's add an oval, like this. And the same thing on the right side. Next, let's erase the headlines inside the eyes. Now inside each eye in the bottom corner, let's add another oval. And the same on the right. And then let's color these in black. Next, let's move down and add the first row of teeth. Start by drawing a V shape in the center. And then 2 more on the right, and 2 more on the left. And now underneath, let's draw a curve. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the top section of the head. Let's draw the bottom section next. Underneath, let's draw an oval. And then inside, let's draw a curve across the bottom. And now let's add the teeth with pointed V shapes. Next, let's add the tongue. Inside, let's draw a small line. And then from the top, let's curve it out to the right, and the same on the bottom. And then close off the end. And lastly, let's erase that line inside the tongue. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body now. Let's start by drawing the right arm. Let's draw an S-shaped curve out and up like this. And then let's follow the same curve underneath. Now at the end, let's add 3 fingers. Next, hop over to the left side and let's draw the other arm. Let's draw a wavy curve out and then down. And the same thing underneath. And again, let's add the hand with 3 fingers. Next, let's move in and draw lines down for the torso. Next, let's add the legs. From the side, let's curve it out and then down. And the same thing on the right. Then from the bottom, let's draw curves in. And then let's close off the legs by curving it up, over, and then back down. And one more thing, I forgot to color the bottom section of the mouth in black, so let's do that now. And that's it for green, now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!